Right here in front of me, I have our latest Bespoke project hidden underneath this cover. Now, if you follow us on Instagram at Creative Bespoke or CB_Auto Salon, you have already seen this car a bunch. It's been to one car show and it's been posted a handful of times. But here on YouTube, it has not made an appearance. So I wanted to make this video show you guys absolutely every little detail that we added to this car. Because believe me, there is so much about this car, every small little detail. So many little things that I want to go over and make sure that you guys realize that we did. But before I pull this cover, I want to talk about a couple things here. I want to say thank you to everyone who tuned into our last YouTube video, building a Revuelto in 10 minutes. And we realized that you guys really like that style of video, that build series. So we will be bringing tons of those to the channel for you guys. As I'm making this video right here, all of the guys are hard at work. We have tons of builds in the shop, almost ready to be shown. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Make sure that bell notification is on so that you don't miss any of our uploads when we post. I want to come over to the other side of the showroom and show you guys a little bit about some other cars that we have for sale currently. Now, some of you may be familiar with this car. We built this 720S, this wide-body 720S, a little over a year ago. Now, the first thing you probably notice about this car is the color shifting paint. Up next, you could probably tell that we did a wide-body kit on this car. From the front, the hips in the front are so wide. And this body kit is actually carbon fiber, but we painted over a lot of it and left the accents here in the fender, the hood, and the lower section of the bumper exposed carbon to kind of give it a nice contrast. Coming over to the side, you see that we have this car sitting on a beautiful set of MV forged wheels lowered with Novatec suspension. Now, coming into the interior of this car, as you can tell, we did a full custom tailor-made interior with this purple and gold leather with gold stitches. In this specific McLaren, we did a full interior. We did the roof, the seats, center console, steering wheel, and even the door panels. We put our own embroidery in here into the door panel as well as the seats. The carbon on the inside pairs very nicely with the carbon on the exterior. Now, coming to the rear of this car, this entire rear diffuser is carbon fiber. This is a full race exhaust system. This 720S is also tuned by M Engineering. Now, with that tune, you can use the cruise control here on the bottom right-hand side of the steering wheel to switch between your maps. In case if you wanted to have a low horsepower or a high horsepower map, sometimes when you're driving this McLaren, you don't always want to go fast. Sometimes you just want to cruise. If you want to see pictures and more descriptions of this car, make sure to check it out on our website where it is listed. Steering away from this 720, coming over to this Bentley Flying Spur. This Bentley has been a fan favorite by a lot of you guys. It has done really, really well on our social media platforms. Obviously, this car has a paint-matched front grille and lower section of the bumper. This hood is a replacement hood with these vents. Now, coming to the side, we have this car lowered on AO13 multi-spoke design wheels. The reason why we went with multi-spoke like this is because it flows very nicely with the rest of the front end of the car. But the interior is probably my favorite part, with the main color of the interior being this white leather, the accents being black, and makes a very nice contrast. And like I was saying in the front, all of the wood trim, including the back door, is also wrapped in silver. Just like the 720, this Bentley Flying Spur is listed on our website, creativebespoke.com. So if you want to explore a little bit more about this car, we have pictures and very well descriptions of both of these cars on our website. Back to the main subject of today's video. Now, friends, without further ado, introducing our Galaxy Widebody from Zikoi McLaren 720S Spider. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Now, the first thing you probably notice is the crazy wide body. The second thing you probably notice is the blue exposed carbon fiber. Now, we did all of the blue exposed carbon in-house. So this 720 features a full Zikoi wide body kit. Up next, coming to the side of the car, we have this sitting on a beautiful set of MB forged carbon disc wheels. The actual carbon disc that is on the outside of the front wheels is in blue carbon. It came to us in black carbon, but then we put that same blue coat that is on the rest of the car on the disc as well. Another very small detail is that we painted the calipers white and left the McLaren on the caliper blue. We did a full tailor-made interior on this 720. As you can tell, we went with a blue, white, and black style interior. Everything here is going to be in a leather. We obviously left all the carbon exposed on the steering wheel with this white stripe to match the accents of this car. One of the coolest things about this interior is gotta be the seat belts. As you can see, we have our logo right there with a blue CB that fades off into this white. A beautiful, beautiful design. Since this car is a Spider with the top down, you're able to see this interior very, very well compared to a coupe. And I don't know about you, but when I'm driving a top-down car, the experience is unmatched. When you're driving a supercar or any exotic car like this one with the top down, all you hear is that exhaust note, whatever your favorite song is, blasting in the car. The driving experience you'll get from a car like this, you can't find in anything else. Now this car does have subs in it, which makes the audio system sound so much better. The control for the subwoofer is right next to the start stop underneath it. If you look very closely into this stripe that we did across the entire top of the car, we have our logo ghosted in the stripe vinyl, but every little small detail that we added adds so much personality and character to this car. Now coming to the back end of the car, we did do an exhaust conversion kit. This is a 765 center exhaust system from FI. They partner with Zakoi to make a rear conversion kit for this car because if you don't know, 720s do not have a center exit exhaust. Now this is a full race exhaust system with a tune as well. So with that, you can expect added performance and added volume with that full race exhaust system. Now the rear wing on a 720S is already active. It goes up and down when you brake and accelerate on the car. This mounted wing still makes the factory wing functional. So that when you're driving, you're braking, accelerating, this rear wing is just moving up and down. Now that's enough talking for me. I'm gonna go ahead and hop inside of the 720 and give you guys a cold start and some revs. The crazy wide body, the crazy color combo, the crazy wheel choice, the crazy interior. McLaren does a very good job from factory already making the 720 look like an absolute UFO. That full FI exhaust system is so loud. Like I was saying earlier, with the top down, your favorite song playing, you'll hear that in the back, you will not want to stop driving this car. Just like these cars over here, this McLaren is for sale and is listed on our website, so make sure you go ahead and check that out if you're interested. And like I was saying earlier in the beginning of the video, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you got that post notification bell turned on so that you don't miss any of our latest YouTube uploads. And last week we did take this car out. We did a photo shoot and a video shoot, so I was able to capture this car cinematically. So we're gonna end off the video with a short little montage for you guys. And I wanna say thank you again to everybody who tuned in and got it this far in the video. Please, down in the comments, let me know what you guys wanna see on the YouTube. Tons of different post ideas that we are thinking about and brainstorming. If you guys wanna see something specific, please let us know down in the comments. And without holding you guys here any longer, I'll see you next week.